Good evening all. Audio video clear. So welcome all of you. Welcome to this lecture where we are discussing the topic number system, laws of exponents. A very important topic. A topic that is important for CSIR exam also, and most other competitive exams. This topic is very important, and for other chapters also this topic is important. So invite all your friends who are preparing for CSIR or any other exams. Let more people join. All of you take an effort to invite more and more people. We want more encouragement from more people in the live session, so please try to take an initiative to spread the word and invite more and more people to the daily classes. Okay, so for the new people, if you want to be part of the Telegram channel, WhatsApp group or the blog post in christyvarghese.in, this is the details of how to be part of those free resources, or check out the description of this video. You can find the link to access all the free resources we are providing, and other playlists in this channel also you can check out. Along with this course, you can check out the CSIR-NET General Aptitude full course also, and also if you are preparing for GATE General Aptitude full course also is given. Free courses are given for most of the exams like CSIR, GATE, DBT, Vedic Maths, UPSC, CSAT, etc. And latest question papers and previous year question papers of CSIR-NET Part A are detailed discussed in these series. That also you can check. And if you want to learn more about Vedic Maths, you can check out these playlists also. Many playlists are available. So subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get update of all the resources we are providing in the future also. And if you want the printed study material, this is the bestseller book for part A section. So okay, so let us start. So laws of exponents. What is exponents? First of all, what is exponents? Exponent form or exponents is just a way of writing repeated multiplication. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. Na? Multiplication is repeated addition. Likewise, exponent is nothing but repeated multiplication. Like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, you can write it as 3 into 4 or 4 into 3. Same way, if it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, you will write it as 3 raised to 4. So that all of you know what is exponent form. The same exponent form, if you write it in logarithmic form, you can write 5 raised to 4 means 5 raised to 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 625. So in exponent form, you write 5 raised to 4 is 625. In logarithm form, how you can write it? In logarithm form, the same thing can be written as log 625 to the base 5 is 4. This and this means the same. Repeated multiplication. Log 625 to the base 5 is 4 means 5 is the base. 5 raised to what power gives you 625? 5 raised to 4 gives you 625. That is what we just discussed now. Same thing in logarithmic form, you write it as log 625 to the base 5 is 4. I remember in school days I have by-hearted logarithm concept without understanding what it is. Maybe some of you at least have done the same. But logarithm is nothing but repeated multiplication, nothing else. So logarithm also you can say, can you tell me what will be log 125 to the base 5? Log 125 to the base 5. Can you mention in the chat? And also if you are watching this recording, you can mention it in the comment section. What is log 125 to the base 5? Or what is the meaning of it? 5 is the base. 5 raised to what is 125? 5 raised to what is 125? 5 raised to 3 is 125. So 3 is the answer. Or the same thing, if you write it in exponent form, you will say 5 raised to 3 is equal to 125. This and this are the same. So that is the connection between logarithm and exponents. So hope all of you are clear about it. In CSIR-NET exam, logarithm is not very important. In GATE exam, it is more important. So if you are preparing for GATE logarithm, you can check out, in as I told, in the full length course on GATE, I have explained one single lecture on logarithm itself. But CSIR exam logarithm is very less asked, so that is why that we are not discussing more. So now what is Surds? Surds is nothing but exponents itself, but fractional powers are called, if exponents have a fractional power, that is called a surd, we can say, or the definition of surd is mentioned here. For example, root 5. Root 5 can also be written as 5 raised to half. 5 raised to half and root 5 means the same. If 5 raised to root 3 means what? Third root of 5 means what? 5 raised to 1 by 3. I hope all of you are getting this. A raised to 1 by m is A raised to 1 by m is mth root of A. Mth root of A. So this idea you should know, and that is actually Surds, but this is just raised to 1 by something, just means a notation, but Surds ka definition is given here. So now let us understand the rules of these exponents and Surds. Exponents rules itself is applicable for Surds also. So we will discuss about exponents only, because exponents and Surds are just the same thing itself. So laws of exponents we are discussing, the different rules that you should know when you are dealing with exponents. These rules are not to be by hearted. In this course, that is what we are trying to do now, to give you a new outlook of the things that you have maybe learned in your school. For example, 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3, I think most of you know it is 2 raised to 4 plus 3. But let us try to understand it more deeply. What is 2 raised to 4? I told you it is repeated multiplication. 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, what is 2 raised to 3? 2 into 2 into 2. Now see it, multiply it. That means 2 into 2, 7 times. That is 2 raised to 7. Now. That means 4 2's are here, 3 2's are here, 4 plus 3, 7 2's will be in total. All of you understood this, please respond. Is this clear or not? That is what we write in mathematical notation as A raised to m into A raised to n is A raised to m plus n. That is when the bases are the same. Only when the bases are same this is applicable. Yeah, that is quite natural to understand. Now 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 cannot be combined like this, because 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 raised to 3 is 3 into 3 into 3. This cannot be said 2 raised to 7 or 3 raised to 7. The problem is these things are very simple, but in school we have complicated this, that the simple thing also we by-hearted it. That is why sometimes we just mug up this now also. We just want to by-heart the rules, not get deeper into the meaning of the rules. So hope all of you understood this. Then the division also is the same itself. A raised to m divided by A raised to n. If the bases are the same, to divide you just subtract the powers. You just subtract the powers. For example, 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 4 means what? Repeated multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 3 is what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 cancels, 2 2 cancels, 2 2 cancels. What is remaining? 2. How many 2's are cancelling? 3 2's are cancelling. Cancelling means that powers get subtracted with respect to the exponent form. And let me tell you, those of you who want to learn more about logarithm, all the exponent rules have a logarithmic counterpart. In logarithmic rules also the same thing is applicable. But exponent and logarithm are written in different syntax. So accordingly the rule will look different, but it is the same itself. All of you understood these two things? If the bases are same, how to multiply, how to divide. Now what if the powers are same? How to multiply and how to divide? If the powers are same, how to multiply and how to divide? A raised to m into b raised to m is a into b the whole raised to m. Don't by heart it. 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3 is what? 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 3 raised to 3 means what? 3 into 3 into 3. Now look at this. I can take this 2 and this 3 and multiply it and get a 6. This 2 and this 3 another 6. This 2 and this 3 another 6. How many 6's you got? 3 6's. What are these 6's? 2 into 3. That means 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 raised to 3 is nothing but 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. How many times? 3 times. Or simply speaking, you can say, if the powers are same, you can just club up what is there in the base. You can just club up what is there in the base. In the case of division also this is true. 8 cube by 4 cube. 8 into 8 into 8. 4 into 4 into 4. You can split it definitely. 8 by 4, 8 by 4, 8 by 4. That means 8 by 4 is 2 into 2 into 2. That means a by b the whole raised to m. All of you clear? Please respond. Is this clear or not? So that is how you can combine when the powers are same, how to combine the bases. For multiplication also, for division also, this is applicable. Now comes power of power. This is one thing that is ambiguous for some people at least. I'll show you a question and see whether all of you are clear about this. This was asked in February 2022 NET exam also, 2017 NET exam also. Make a try super fast, all of you. Those of you have doubt, please specify your doubt. That is very important. Repeating from the beginning is not practical. This is like as I told, a capsule course where half an hour maximum content delivery. That is what we are trying to do. So their doubts should be specific, then only we can answer. And you can ask the doubts after the class in the Telegram channel also, and in the comment section if you post, we will try to answer it as soon as possible. So no, irrational power, no, irrational number, yes, Veer. Some of you got 2 raised to 16. Any other answers? Many of you got 2 raised to 16. Very good, very good. Let's see whether it is right. So power of power is coming here. Power of power. Okay, those of you doubt, how 8 by 4? We are in the previous question 8 by 4 because we can split it up, na? 8 cube is what? 8 into 8 into 8. 4 cube is what? 4 into 4 into 4. You will cancel it, na? Cancelling means division. 8 by 4 is 2. 8 by 4 is 2. 8 by 4 is 2. Cancelling means nothing but you are dividing numbers. That is the meaning of cancellation. Okay, this question 2 answers I can see. Option B also, option C also. Let's see which is correct. That is where you have to know this rule. Tower rule it is called. It is called tower rule of exponents. When we don't know the order, the natural order is top to bottom. When we don't know the order means, if bracket is there, you know BODMAS rule. In school days you have learned BODMAS or PETMAS, whatever name you are saying. Bracket should be done first. That means 2 raised to 3, bracket, in bracket 2 raised to 3, the whole raised to 4 means the order is mentioned itself, bracket should be done first. So 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 raised to 4. Now some of you may be thinking, but why I wrote 2 raised to 3 into 4 or 2 raised to 12? Because 8 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 12 will be same. You can check it out. I'll show you how it is same. So if there is bracket, there are 2 ways to do it. First you can do what is there in the base. 2 raised to 3 is what? 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Raised to 4. 8 raised to 4 means 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. When you calculate it, you will get 4096. Another way, another shortcut way is, when there is bracket, you can multiply what is there in the powers. 3 into 4, you just multiply. 3 into 4 is 12. So 2 raised to 12, if you calculate also, that will be 4096. Now I will show you why that is working. How you can multiply the powers, I will tell you. 2 cube, the whole raised to 4 means, 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. Raised to 4 means this multiplied 4 times with itself, na? Exponent form. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. That is 3 2's 4 times. That is 2 raised to 12, na? That is why the shortcut is working. I hope all of you understood it. Now the other method what it is? 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 2 cube, na? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 raised to 4. That is quite obvious, na? The other method. Because 2 cube is what? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. 8 raised to 4. 8 raised to 4 when you calculate, that will also be equal to 4096. I hope all of you understood when bracket is there what to do. But if bracket is not there, we are confused what is the order now. Some may say this should be the order, some may say this should be the order. But in mathematics we cannot disagree on the same theorem, or you cannot say one person say that I can do this way, 2 raised to 3 first and then raised to 4. Another person saying 3 raised to 4 first and then 2 raised to. That will give you different answer. That is why if there is no bracket, the convention is you have to start from top to bottom. Top to bottom. That means 2 raised to 3 raised to 4 means 3 raised to 4 should be done first. 3 raised to 4 is what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. 2 raised to 81 and 2 raised to 12 are not same. These are very different. Na? 2 raised to 81 is going to be very large number compared to 4096. All of you understood this? Please respond. And now you are clear how to do this question. 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2. First 2 raised to 2 should be done. What is that? 4. Then 2 raised to 4 should be done. What is that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. 2 raised to 16. Luckily CSIR says don't simplify further, because options are in the form of 2 raised to something. So option C is the answer. Otherwise you have to do 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 16 times. That is time consuming, but you can do loss of exponents to simplify it. I hope all of you understood it. So that is about power of power. 2 things. Hope all of you are clear about it. Bracket matters. Whether bracket is there or not determines how to do it. Ria, no idea whether CSIR will allow calculator or not. No, not clear. Last time it was given. Last time it was not given. Most of the exams CSIR haven't provided calculator. Last time it was given for some reason. Don't know why. Okay, so this is now few more conventions I want to tell you. What is the meaning of negative power? 1 by m we already discussed. I hope all of you remember. 125 raised to 1 by 3 means third root of 125. Third root of 125. Now what is negative power means? 4 raised to minus 2 means what? 4 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 4 raised to 2. 1 by 4 raised to 2. To write it in simple terms, we are using the convention, use the negative power. So 4 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 4 raised to 2. So 4 raised to minus 3 means what? 1 by 4 raised to 3, that is 1 by 64 and so on. Hope all of you understood it. What is negative power? Again, school maths only, I am just summarizing because CSIR have asked questions related to this. Then fractional power, how to simplify, just given. CSIR haven't asked directly questions from that. That is why you can read it. And any number raised to 0 is 1. That you can easily prove. The proof of that also is very simple. For example, if I want to prove 33 raised to 0 is 1, how? 33 raised to 0, I can write it as 33 raised to x minus x. 33 raised to x minus x we have discussed already. That is 33 raised to x divided by 33 raised to x. The loss of exponents we have discussed. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So that is 33 raised to x divided by 33 raised to x. That is 1. That is how you can prove it. Again, hope all of you understood it. This is a classic question CSIR asked to check whether you know what is 0th power, what is fractional power, and how to simplify fractions. A simplification based question, but loss of exponents are needed. Try this super fast, all of you. As I always ask in the daily classes, just checking once again, hope this course is going well. Any suggestions or any concerns you have also, you can mention in the live chat and in the comment section. Tomorrow and most probably day after tomorrow also, Bestseller will be taking sessions, and this week most probably 2 more sessions will be there. And after that, next week we will meet. The plan is to complete the entire syllabus of CSIR-NET Part A, but this is not limited to CSIR-NET Part A only. These topics are very important for many other competitive exams. So please try to share it with maximum people. I can see that now more than the live class students, a big number of people are attending recorded sessions also. So do share the video to more and more people so that at least as recordings they can watch. Live class, many people may have timing issues and other things, but recordings many people can watch. So please share the link of these lectures, share the link of the playlist to maximum people. So many of you got it right. Very good, very good. So very fast I will explain. 4 raised to 0 is what? 4 raised to 0, 4 raised to 2, 1 by 4 raised to half, 4 raised to half, 1 by 4 raised to half. Let us write it down what they are. 4 raised to 0 means 1. We already know. 4 square means what? 4 into 4, 16. 1 by 4 square means what? 1 by 16. 4 raised to half means what? I already discussed. 1 a raised to 1 by m is 1 by a raised to m. That is 4 raised to 1 by 2 is 4 raised to 1 by m, a raised to m, 1 by m is mth root of a. Mth root of a means 4 raised to 1 by 2, second root of 4. Second root of 4 means 2. 1 by 4 raised to half means what? 1 by second root of 4. That is 1 by 2. Now just simplify this. Adding these things up. This is a natural number, this is a natural number, this is a natural number. Add it up, 16. Fractions are remaining, 1 by 16 and 1 by 2. 1 by 16th of a pizza and half of a pizza. Fraction, addition and all we will discuss in an upcoming class. If you logically do it, it is super easy. No need to take LCM or anything. You can just logically think that. Half of a pizza can be thought as, out of 16 piece I am taking 8 piece. Here I am taking 16 piece. Out of 16 piece I am taking 1 piece. Here 2 piece out of that 1 piece means out of 16 piece I am taking 8 pieces. So 8 plus 1, 9 by 16. Again, if you are not able to digest that, you can just do your normal LCM idea and simplify it like this. So 1 by 16 plus 8 by 16, 9 by 16. 19 plus 9 by 16 is equal to 19 and 9 by 16. What is this? This is called mixed fraction notation. Mixed fraction notation. 1 plus half. 1 mark plus half mark if you get, you will say you got 1 and half mark. There 1 and half and 1 plus half are same, isn't it? Same way 19 plus 9 by 16 and 19 and 9 by 16 means the same. So that is why, because options are in this form, that is why we are trying to simplify in this form. So option C is the correct answer. Hope all of you understood it. Please respond. So this is a summary of all the laws of exponents we have discussed. Hope all of you are clear about these exponent rules. Any doubts, please ask. And for powers and cubes, these identities also, hope all of you remember. Some questions need this also. So square, at least square identities you should know. A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square. These things also can be understood in a proper logical way using squares and rectangles. Due to lack of time today I am not discussing it. This is the image for thinking that. Check it out yourself. If this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. A plus b the whole square means what? From this image it is very clear. So go through it. That is not today's topic. That is why I am skipping it now. So this was the latest NET exam problem. June 2023 this question was asked. Can you all try this super fast? The ideas we discussed today can be used to do this. All of you do this. Laws of exponents as rules, whether you want to by heart, as ideas you want to use, that is totally up to you. And all of you who are watching this session, make sure that you have hit the like button if you felt this session is useful. That is a gentle gesture that you can show that you benefited from the class, and that will help the video to reach to more people, because that is how YouTube algorithms work. So try this question, all of you. Okay, due to lack of time I will start explaining. Suppose 729 raised to 22 by 3, 81 raised to x by 2 equal to 3, the value of x. saying there is no one single method to do this. There are different ways to do this. But the easy idea is you can make the left hand side base and right hand side base equal so that you can compare the powers. Left hand side what all you can see 729, you can see 81, you can see. Right hand side you can see 3. So make everything in the same base. How you can do that? Two ways are there. Either you can say this is 3. So let us make all other values 3. 729 is what? 3 into 3 into 3, 27 into 27 into 27 is 329. That is 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 raised to 6. Again, this is not the best method. I will come to that. But what I am trying to say is the exponent idea should be clear. Don't just go behind the formula only. If the idea is clear, by just imagining it itself you can say 6 3's are there in front of us raised to 22 by 3. And this is what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 27 into 3. That is 3 raised to 4, the whole raised to x by 2. This is equal to 3 raised to 1. Now, this is a raised to m, the whole raised to n. That is a raised to m into n. So, you can multiply, or I told you why you can multiply it. The logic behind it, I have told you. Due to lack of time, I am not explaining that elaborately. You can just multiply it. That is 3 raised to 6 and 3 cancels. That is 22 by 2. 3 raised to 22 by 2. Sorry, 3 raised to 22 into 2. 22 into 2. And this will be 4 and half cancels. 3 raised to 4x by 2, that is 2x. This is equal to 3 raised to 1. That is 3 raised to 44 into 3 raised to 2x. That is 3 raised to 44 plus 2x is equal to 3 raised to 1. Now you can see that the powers you can compare because the bases are the same in the left hand side and right hand side. So 44 plus 2x equal to 1. This you can simplify. 2x equal to minus 23 minus 43 and x is equal to minus 43 by 2. Minus 43 by 2 is minus 21.5. Now some of you at least may be thinking this is too much steps. I agree. This is too much steps if you are writing these in the paper. But this is very less step if you are able to imagine it. That is up to you whether you are able to imagine it. But if that imagination is not that clear, what I will suggest you is instead of making everything in 3's, try to make everything in 9's. Then you don't have to think 3 into 3, how many 3's are 729. You can just say 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. Na? So write 729 as 9 cube. Write 81 as 9 square. This is 9 square. 9 square. And write 3 as 9 raised to half. 3 is 9 raised to half. Na? 3 is 9 raised to half. Because 9 raised to half means what? Square root of 9. That is 3. Now you simplify these. Now everything is in terms of 9. Na? This 3 and this 3 cancels. So, 1 second. Yeah, this is x by 2. This is a typing error. This is x by 2. So, 2 and half cancels. So, 9 raised to x. And then 22 plus x. 22 plus x equal to half. You can compare. And x is equal to half minus 22. That is also very simple. From half an apple you are subtracting 22 apples. In real you cannot subtract. But if it was from 22, if you are subtracting half, you will get 21 and half. Na? So from half, if you are subtracting 22, you will get negative of that 21 and half. Hope all of you understood this latest net exam problem. Please respond. Is this clear, all of you? Whether you want to make it in terms of 3, whether you want to make it in terms of 9, that is totally your perspective. But these steps, let me tell you frankly, these steps I am writing just to make you understand. This many steps are not needed. You just have to imagine how many 9s, how many 3's. Likewise, you can imagine it. Okay, so this was another question in another paper in June 2023 question. Homework question. All of you please try. The solution also we will provide in the study material. New students, after every class we are providing study materials also. And in that study material more questions will be there and more materials will be there. So make use of that for learning further. Once again I am reminding you, this is a holistic course. Some of you at least may be thinking half an hour is too less a time for a topic. No, half an hour is not the time for one topic. One topic, half an hour live session, then recorded session you will see in this in this playlist. That also you check. Try the homework questions also. Involve in the daily quizzes we are conducting in the Telegram channel. Involve in the weekly quizzes on Sunday. Live quizzes we are conducting. Altogether, your complete preparation of CSIR-NET Part A can be done. That is why I told you this is a holistic course. So make use of all the resources as part of this course. Then your preparation will be complete. Then this will be enough. So, and if you are feeling that these initiatives are good, please share it to maximum people. At least hit the like button and do comment on this video. To be frank, your comments are also very encouraging to us. Thanks to all who are encouraging us with daily comments. Some of you, we can see that you are making a sincere effort to keep us motivated by commenting daily that this session was good, this particular part in the session was insightful. So that is always encouraging. There we feel students are also taking an effort, that they are also saying that your efforts are actually good, that is helping us. So try to do that, keep motivating us. Thank you all of you. So today we are concluding here. Meet you all tomorrow. Jessesa will be teaching the next topic. The topic will be mentioned in the groups. So number system, we have two or three more sessions. Then we will, number system means numbers related topics. This is the first time we are taking this many lectures on number system or numbers related topic itself, because this is a topics, these are some of the lectures that some people at least want more practice on. That is why we are taking those sessions more in detail. So once again, thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Let's conclude for today. See you all on the next class. Have a good night. Bye bye.